Alright, so I promised I would do another video. After I put the wheels on, I decided to go and put this beautiful grille on the front. It's an E&G Classic Dual Weave heavy mesh grille. And that's the final result with the 22-inch Lexani's 30mm offset. And I thought I would just do another video so that everybody can see how much of a difference that grille actually makes. And as you can tell, it makes a huge difference. So there you go. Hope you like this video, give you a better idea on what you could do to customize that grille.